got this piece. Came pretty quick. Came in 3 days. Wow, it's not bad. This is 5 kilograms for one set. Let me see. This is very unfortunate. It does not fit. Dang it. Even though on eBay it says it fit. It's too long. It's too long and the back part is too short. The back part is... Actually, this seat it's pretty comfortable. If it's okay, it's not. It's a little bit short on the back part. It's very comfortable when I sat in there. Actually really comfortable. Not bad. This seat actually is pretty nice. I was able to get it to fit for 80 bucks. Not bad for Focus on this seat. It is actually really comfortable on the padding. Especially here, it is perfect actually. It's already getting dirty. It isn't really bad at all for what you're paying for. I think it's great.